Hey team, welcome back to my channel. The goal of this video is to show you how to show us which patients have not been called yet. So notice we have a table here called pound patients. All this is a temporary table. And here you can see its ID 1 through 10. Now real quickly, you can see that 8, 9, and 10 are not in this list. So these patients have not been rescheduled yet. But how can we make a list and only show these 3 lines? I'm going to show you 2 SQL statements that can help you do this. You ready to begin? Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start by showing you where the source code is at for this video. Notice it's on my GitHub account. Go look for a file called patientsnotcalledyet.sql. It's this file right here. Just download this and you can walk along with me. Let's first create a table called pound patients. Remember, this is a temporary table. When I close this window, this table goes away. So I'm going to go ahead and create this table. I'm going to create appointments, and notice that we have a foreign key between this table, this column, and this column. So for me to put a row in this table, that patient has to exist. That's what enforces that rule. And now we're going to insert some data into patients. Notice we have 10 patients. And now here's our list of appointments that have already been created. Good. Now we're going to get to the meat of this video. So I have 2 SQL statements here, and notice the goal of both of these is to give me that list of the 3 patients that have not been called yet. On this one, notice on line 60, I'm saying not exist, and then I'm saying select the patient. Notice appointments, I'm going to alias as A. So select the patient from appointments where P comes from patient equals that. Now, sometimes we don't have 8, 9, and 10, and that's what's going to give us this. So let's go ahead and run this and see the output, and you can see the output on that is 8, 9, and 10 there. And our second SQL statement might be a little easier to read. I'm going to say where, and then select the count from appointments where that patient from up here equals the patient that's in the appointments table. Now, if the count is 0, all that means is I haven't called them yet. So remember 8, 9, and 10 from query 1. Let's see what query 2 does. That's right, the same answer. So pick the way you like to do it and then stick with it. And that's all there is to this video.